Welcome to a fun core sequence. So this is a 5-minute core blasting sequence. So hopefully you're gonna feel this a lot in your bellies. It's a great way to kind of ignite the fire in your stomach, and you can pair it really easily with another one of my longer yoga practices or another video, maybe for your lower body. So let's get started together. All right, 5 minutes, that's it. We're gonna start on our backs, so lay down. Extend your feet up to the sky, roll through the ankles, and then we're gonna reach for the opposite foot with the opposite hand, okay? So reach, reach. The goal is to hit the foot. So if you're not that flexible, maybe you do another yoga video with me, all right? The goal is also to pick up your shoulder blade as we move side to side. So 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, you're almost there, 2, 1 more each side, 1 and 1. Good, hands behind the head, exhale, lower your feet down to the ground. Exhale, lift and lower, lift and lower, lift and lower. Good, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, we're gonna hold our head up on 1, reach forward, reach for the outside of your foot, tap, 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 good, 8, tap, 7, tap, 6, keep reaching, really try to find that little oblique crunch and crunch for 2 and 2 and 1, head down, exhale, tailbone up, and when you're ready, feet up, lift your booty, put it down. Lift your butt, put it down. So notice it's not momentum based, it's all in the core. For 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, we're gonna put our hands under our butt for 1, and then we're gonna exhale, raise our head and shoulders. Slowly lower your feet, open your feet, close your feet, bring them up, lower your head. That's tough, all right? Exhale, head up, lower the feet, open the feet, close the feet, and down. Good, up, down, open, close, lift, and lower. Let's do 4 more. Exhale, up, lower, open, close, lift, lower. Last 3, exhale, up, down, open, close, lift, and lower. 2 more. Lower, open your feet, bring them in, up, last time, up, down, open, together, lift, and lower. Nice, hands behind your head, bicycle crunches, twist, side to side for me here. So really pull your elbow across your thigh. For 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good, release your head down for me. We're gonna slowly press into our feet. Just take a gentle lift of the hips. So if you have any back tension or pain growing, we can relax it here. And then slowly bring it back down. Good, full sit up, all the way up, reach. All the way down, lower. All the way up, reach. All the way down, lower. Now don't pick up your feet and rock up because that's all momentum, okay? Really use your core, press up. Good, press up. We're almost there. We're almost at 4 minutes. You got this. For 5, 4, notice we haven't done any planking, so if you have any shoulder injury, this would be for you. Last one here, go ahead, strong, sit up, 1, 2, 3, up, and hold. We're gonna raise our feet, hold boat. Make a fist with our hands, and we're just gonna twist, 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 twist. Tap the tricep, good. For 8, 7, 6, this one should get you 5, 4, I can feel the heat, friends, 3, 2, all right, we're almost done. Pull your knees up and in, exhale, press and pull and press and pull. Let's do 8, 7, 6. You got this. 5, 4, almost there. 3, 2, and up and hold. Come back to boat. Reach those arms forward in front of you. Lift, lift, lift through your chest. 10 more seconds. Come on, stay with me. 10, 9, maybe reach those legs up for 5, strong. 4, 3, lift. 2, and 1. You made it. Ground your feet, hug around your knees, curl your spine, exhale, release. Way to go. Again, pair it with another video, whatever you want. Good work, guys. That was hard.